HVAC Repair Guy here. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before trading the reactor floor for the dirt and attics of the HVAC world. With 17 years in this trade, I've learned that field-tested advice means looking past the marketing. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the MRCOOL Signature Series, R454B, and the Tempstar Ion 16, T5H6S. Both of these are ducted split heat pumps in the basic single stage category, designed to get the job done without the extra bells and whistles. When we look at build quality, we're talking about physical protection. The Tempstar Ion 16 comes with a wire grill. It's a standard design, but it doesn't offer the same level of protection as a solid panel. The MRCOOL Signature Series, however, features a louvered panel construction. In the field, we call that superior armor because it provides a much stronger shield for those delicate aluminum coils against hail or a stray rock from a mower. Another win for the Tempstar on the comfort side. It includes a compressor blanket to keep things quiet, while the MRCOOL does not. From an efficiency standpoint, both units are identical with an HSPF of 7.5. As a former electrician, I look at that number as the mileage of your heat pump. It's how much heat you're getting for every watt you pull from your electrical panel. Since both use single-stage compressors, they are either 100% on or 100% off, which keeps the electrical footprint simple and easy to troubleshoot. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Tell me your stories below. In the warranty battle, both brands cover you with a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. But here is where Tempstar really steps up. They offer a 10-year no-hassle replacement warranty. If your compressor fails, they don't just send you a part. They replace the entire unit. MRCOOL only offers a 1-year unit replacement for this model. The verdict? This is a close one. The MRCOOL Signature Series has the better physical superior armor with that louvered panel, but the Tempstar Ion 16 takes the win overall. Between the quieter operation from the compressor blanket and that massive 10-year unit replacement warranty, Tempstar has the homeowner's back for the long haul. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.